they've got a couple cabanas set up.
Over here.
This pool looks better than the pool we just saw. The other pool must have been, oh, the other pool was the family pool. This is the adult pool. There's a waiting area down there too. Looks like it's about knee deep, 50 feet out. Pretty nice. Having some trouble down there, I see. Yeah, this has a lot of sandy beach and that swimming area that the other hotels do not have. This is Harrah's. I think this is the nicest one. This casino might be the biggest. I thought Aquarius was, but maybe not. We got a poker room. Nobody playing poker. A little bit of a sports book. Got Keno. Oh, this is awful dark. Boy, you can really get you a good nap in there. If you get some way of making it look like you're moving your head every now and then so they won't shock you. You know, they used to shock people in the sports book when they fall asleep as recent as 1982. I don't know if they did it any after that, but it wasn't the same as a cattle prod, but it was like an electric fence. It would make you jump out of your shoes, and that was considered okay. That's before people had a camera in their pocket. Everybody's on record now. $10, $10, $10. Let's see, this is a $5 table, I think. Yeah, it's a $5 table. I had a reservation to stay here tonight, and I was going to show you the room. And my reservation for my name went under my email address instead of my name. And those people at the front desk said it doesn't match my driver's license, so they can't honor it. And there might have been some F-bombs coming out of my mouth. And then I thought, well, this is good, because I can just get back to Vegas and not spend the night here, because I got everything I needed to do, got everything done. Now I got to fight to get my money back, because I used a third party to book my reservation. But I'll do that from the comfort of my house. And there most definitely will be some more F-bombs coming out in that conversation. That always works. Actually, the only thing I'm liable for is the room rate, not the resort fee, because they're not going to get the resort fee because they had to get that from me in person. And since they couldn't honor my reservation, they couldn't get my resort fee. So even if I don't even make that phone call, I'm only out $26. And I'll sleep in my own bed tonight. I thought I needed to spend the night here, but I got here early enough to see it all. And spoiler alert, I'm not real impressed with Laughlin. Not impressed. I'm very impressed with that river though. But I'm not impressed with, this is a nice casino actually. This is probably the nicest one that I saved for last. It's still not real big, but it's big enough. That's the girl that was having trouble with the police a little while ago. You can probably guess why. But the trip from Vegas to Laughlin, even though I had a lot of construction, it's an hour and a half. No big deal. The only reason I would suggest you come here, if you bring some children, you want to go swimming, you want to go out on the boat, then it's worth it. But it's not, because these casinos are not anywhere close as good as Vegas. I was disappointed in that, but at the same time, I should be happy about that, because when it comes to casinos, there's still no place like Vegas, and that's where I live. So I guess I should be happy about that. If I came over here and these casinos were fantastic, better than Vegas, I'd start looking to move here. But I damn sure won't be doing that. It's kind of a weird town also. It's like they started building it up and then they stopped. Alright, that's what Harrah's looks like. Best feature is the water. All of them's best feature is the water, except for Tropicana, which is on the other side of the street. They got nothing. They got nothing to think about.